What's good, YouTube? So I got a quick tutorial for y'all right now. This is gonna be a helpful tip for your back. So a lot of people who may be working 9 to 5 or maybe sitting down most of the day can really have a compressed spine. By sitting down all day, and like whether it be at your job or on the couch or whatever, you can have your spine can really get compressed just from sitting down and from gravity, right? So what I'm gonna give y'all right now is a simple tip that, simple exercise that I do to really help with my back. I hurt my back playing football back in high school, and since then I've always really just had to continuously stretch my back just to keep it from getting tight. But I've noticed, just as getting older, and now, I have a 9 to 5, architect, but so since I'm sitting down most of the day, my spine can really, start to get compressed, and that can really hinder me in the gym in terms of doing exercises or really just doing everyday to-day exercises. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick tip right now. So basically what you're gonna do, go in your gym. It could be your gym, it could be, in your home if you have somewhere to just hang from. So you wanna grab a bar, grab anything that you can really hold on to and have your feet dangling from. That's gonna be the tip. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this. This is a super simple trick, but all you have to do is just hang. And I would do this exercise, I'm not gonna talk to y'all from there. I would do this exercise maybe, 3 sets for however long you can hold it. Let's say hold it for 30 seconds. 3 sets of holding it for 30 seconds. And what this is really gonna do is help your spine decompress. You're really gonna stretch yourself out, right? So let's get back to this. So basically you're gonna hang from the bar, get a nice comfortable position, just hang. And you watch how I have my lats engaged right now because I'm trying to stay upright. What you want to do with this exercise, you're not trying to stay upright. You want to just let yourself literally hang. And this is going to allow that spine to just say, it's really just enjoying itself, just hanging. It's not, having all that upper body weight pressing down on it from all day long. So this exercise, I tend to do this before I start all my workouts. It's kind of just a part of my stretching routine before my workouts, and I normally do it at the end of my workouts as well. So it's really helpful to just kind of, keep your back in check. You only get one back, you only get one spine. You don't want to go through, back surgery, spinal surgery, any of that. So this is a really good way to keep your spine, your back, and just your core in general in good shape to keep you standing upright, because we don't want no hunchbacks over. We don't want no hunchbacks whenever we get in upper age. So, okay. So I'm gonna do this again for y'all one more time. So again, all you're gonna do is just grab the bar and let yourself hang. Now, don't be up here like this, having your back engaged like you're about to do a pull-up. No, you wanna just hang. And really let your feet dangle. You can go from side to side maybe a little bit, but that's not really necessary. You can just let it hang. And the key to this is just having a bar high enough where your feet aren't touching the ground. So also, let's say you can't hold yourself up using the bar, right? I got another one for y'all, so let's go over here. Or should I have another one for y'all? I just have an alternate, right? So if your gym has something like this is probably something you'll have to do in your gym. Unless you find some other equipment you can keep your feet off of, or find something that you can maybe hold your arms on, but have your feet maybe close to something to kind of give you that extra support, similar to this, right? So I'm gonna get up, and obviously I'm too tall right now to, have my spine decompressing. So all I'm gonna do is just drop, and then I have my feet here just as extra support, but again, I'm really allowing my spine to just relax and say, So, this feels good. Again, this exercise shouldn't be painful. It should really, give you a relief feeling. You should feel like their spine is decompressing, like you're stretching it out, So hope y'all like that tutorial, man. I'ma holla at y'all next time. Let me know again in the comment section what tutorials y'all want me to give y'all, any problems y'all might be having that y'all think that I might have some tips that I can give y'all to really help with those injuries or things of that nature. But I have been training for a really long time, and I know some tricks around the gym. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we out.